Today I'm going to review the Gourmia coffee grinder. This is brand new in box. I just got it yesterday. So, open it up. Oh, yeah. So in the box, then it comes with this, and this. So this is just the manual. This is a power switch. This is the capacity of the coffee grind, about half a cup. This is the capacity of the coffee grind. On the bottom is suction cups, so it keeps it in place, so you can hear it. And this is the lid. Coffee grinder stands about 7 inches high by 5 inches long. The settings are located here, so if you want a finer grain, you turn it. I messed it up already. So yeah, it's only large. Fine. I don't know what the other ones are. Let's see. Okay, I plugged it in and I put my coffee in. And now it's time to grind. With the grinder in the finest setting, I'm gonna turn it on. So it took about 30 to 40 seconds to grind all this content. So let's take a look inside. To take this out, you pull it from the bottom here, and then you kind of yank it out. And plug it out. It gets a little dirty right now. So the grind's okay. It's soft. I'm gonna use this for an espresso maker. And I'll let you know how it turns out. So after grinding the coffee and taking it all out, it looks like this, and you'll be left with coffee here and here. I don't know how to locate it yet, and yeah. So overall, I think it's decent for the cost of this Burr grinder compared to a blade grinder. I wanted a Burr one because I already have a blade grinder, and I wanted to try out a Burr grinder for my coffee. I used this specifically for espressos, and it worked okay. I gotta try a little bit more on the finer side of the grinder, but it did okay, and I kind of like it. So overall, it's decent for the price compared to the other ones. The other ones were way over in terms of price on this one compared to this one. So I'll give it a 6 out of 10. Well, I hope that helped you a lot. Take care.